I started working on the Prius. I got the inverter pump. Hopefully that's going to be it. I am going to take this bad boy out for a little bit of a spin. So we are going to Rockville because I'm buying a pickup truck. And it's an old pickup truck. It doesn't work. But I might be able to get it to work. It's a Ford 150. I'm not a big fan of Fords, but I'm buying it for 400 bucks. It doesn't work, but the owner assures me it's just the battery. I'm going to find out. I kind of believe him, but you never know. The reason I believe him is because he's a fellow motorcyclist, a fellow ADV rider. But I found this guy through my now ex-girlfriend. So I'm looking at other bikes. I don't know exactly. Oh man, this is weird. It actually feels better with the visor down than it does with it up, because the air is so hot. Jesus. And I'm wearing my perforated jacket. I need to get some perforated pants. But I'm looking for bikes. I'm looking for a dual sport, but I don't think I'll be able to afford the dual sport I really want, the CRF 250, because their prices has just gone crazy. They're at $6,000 for used ones. And I looked up a Yamaha XT 225 that it's a 2018. She wants $4,000. That's too much. Well, like $2,000. That's my kind of limit. You know the ads that I don't like? I keep getting these ads. It's hi, my name is Nate Favini. I'm the head here at whatever medical Ford. It's like Ford Clinic. There's no waiting. I hate that guy. You guys seen these ads? The guy, like, he's dressed way too perfect. You know, I can't trust people that dress way too perfect. It's like people are pretending. You know, I want to see somebody that's a little bit off. Then I know that they're real. But if somebody's like perfectly dressed, like that Nate Favini or Ford, I get weirded out. My little spidey senses start tingling. I get served a lot of these ads, and then there's a guy that is advertising some sort of drink, but I keep skipping. It's like, did you know that there's this whatever drug that makes you grow bigger balls? Who the hell wants bigger balls? Seriously, what's the point of having bigger balls if you have a tiny little wiener? I would assume that you'd want a bigger pecker, right? I don't see like women going like, look at the set of balls on that guy. Like, I don't think women really care about balls. I think guys are like concentrating on things that are not supposed to be that interesting. I kind of wish that balls were inside of you. You know, why do they have to be outside? I know, to keep the temperature different. But really, all this time with evolution, couldn't they like develop somewhere, maybe in your chin? I don't know, that seems to be a little bit better. The temperature would be a lot easier. Why there? Why can't, you know, the body develop balls inside? Like women, they have ovaries. They don't develop ovaries outside. Somebody's smoking weed up there. Man, that's some pungent weed. Is there like a time cutoff for starting to smoke crack? Oh, I know who's smoking weed. It's that car. Look at him. He's swerving in his lane. He's got to be the one that's high. Look at him. Oh, I love it. Look at that. He's so dumb. He's swerving. Oh, what are you doing, bud? Look at him. Ah, he's so high. That guy is so high. I knew there was somebody smoking weed. It's that Honda. He's got like the tinted windows. There is no way that this guy is not smoking weed. And he pulls in front of that car. Oh, I bet that guy's completely all high. I'm gonna go look at him. You know, what a dumbass. Are you gonna cut me off, buddy? What are you doing? That guy just cut that other guy off. Oh, that is hilarious. What are you doing? Oh, that's funny. He is totally high. That is hilarious. He is completely high. He's like swerving in the lane. I was smelling weed, and it's like this guy. That is hilarious. Man, it's amazing how much weed you can smell on a motorcycle. You know, that's the thing. The tinted windows give it away for most people. Yeah. I mean, I got tinted windows in the Prius because, oh, look at that. There's the weed. I see the weed. He's taking a puff. Yeah. This guy, you know, that's the thing. Like, how do you even sell a car that smells like weed? You know, the marijuana, the devil's lettuce. Oh my God, it's so hot. Hey, there's a cop. He was just pulling somebody over. That guy? Oh my God, the weed guy just almost hit another car. Ah, this guy is such a reckless idiot. Look at, he almost hit that one car. Wow, he almost hit that Civic. What an idiot. That's the second car he almost hit in a matter of like 0.2 miles. Whoa, that guy is a complete jackass. He's completely high. Ah, that's funny. He's completely high. Terrible driver. He almost hit 2 cars in like such a short amount of time. Look, man, if you're smoking weed and you're high and you're driving, do everybody a favor and stay in your lane, okay? You know, the whole point of the weed thing is that you're mellow. But you just start to sound like or seem like a jackass. Nobody likes a angry pot smoker, you know? Like, I do not want to see an angry pot smoker. It's disgusting. Seth Rogen guys, you know? Like, that's kind of like the type of pot smoker that I like. It's funny. A funny pot smoker, you know? Like, I can't hurt a fly sort of pot smoker. I like those type of guys. But the rest of the guys, there's no point to that. R1200 RT, R1200 RS, whatever. You know, I like Honda's naming convention for motorcycles. Honda Blackbird, Honda Pan-European, Honda Africa Twin, Honda Grom, Honda Monkey. I'm a fan of that. I'm not a fan of like Yamaha Tenere. Terrible name. Terrible. I know it's like that whole Dakar thing, but you know, nobody knows how to pronounce it. And of course the locals of the Tenere, they don't even say it like the English say and the Europeans say it. It's yeah, like, can you call it something else? There's got to be a way of people coming up with better names. You know, learn from Honda. Honda does have great names. Honda Blackbird. Come on, that's a great name. That's a Chevy Bolt. I actually like those. This is the Ford 150. So, alright guys, I'm going to stop the bike. It's always a sign when he has a Ducati sticker on there, but yeah, that's the Ford 150. And I think, I don't know, it looks pretty good. It's seen better days. It's got a lot of rust, but alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Get out of here. Got the title, got the key with my pocket. I bought the car, the truck, from Mike, and Mike is a fascinating ADV rider. Man, he was telling me some fantastic stories about him like rescuing a Tuono. He posted on ADV Rider. On ADV Rider, there's like a thread about how they rescued a Tuono from this jungle in West Virginia. And man, it took forever to get it out. They thought they needed helicopters, canoes, but these guys just went in there, Really fascinating, and he's raced motorcycles all his life. In the truck itself has got like a Ducati logo. And by the way, he's got very expensive taste in cars and motorcycles, so he really just rides the expensive ones like Ducatis, Huskies, KTMs. He's not interested so much in like the Japanese stuff other than the DRZ 400. But this guy, you can tell that the motorcycling life for him was like a heroin hit. Completely into it, just insanely into it. And I love hearing the stories that he has. Man, you know, he's the type of guy that you want to take him out to lunch and just listen to him talk about old motorcycle stories. And he's a little bit different than me, because I don't really have stories so much, but he's more into the racing and racetracks and like hardcore, like dirt biking. Honestly, I'm more like a temperate, boring buffoon rider that just commutes. You know, that I don't really have any super exciting stuff, except that time I almost got killed by a tornado. Yeah, Mike is a wild man. This is called Aspen Hill, not to be confused with Aspen, Colorado. This lane, this right turn lane right here where I am, this is where the Beltway sniper killed the bus driver. That's right, the bus was at this red light dropping passengers. I guess he stepped off of the bus, and the Muhammad something sniper shot him. I think he was like right here, and I think he shot him from the Kmart parking lot here. So yeah, kind of crazy. Oh, it is so damn hot. I hate it when cars do this. They drive the same speed right next to each other. It's gonna be like 100 degrees. Oh jeez, I want to open up my jacket. Oh, get some breeze go. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, is this van a speed camera? This minivan right here on the side of the road, is this a speed camera? Yeah, speed camera right there. What a bunch of douches. There's so many speed cameras. You know, those little vans, they give it away. You know, you're kind of creating a hazard there by putting that car there. You know, these Lincoln Town cars, they look kind of fascinating. I kind of wish I owned one for just a little bit, just to see what it's like. Because, you know, a lot of rich people have their drivers get one of these, so they can't be all that bad, and they don't look like limos. So you could be a hoity-toity person inside there, but nobody would know. I think nowadays, instead of these Lincoln Town cars, they're just going with the big Chevy Tahoes. It is just so damn hot. It is just so freaking hot. We kind of need some rain here, but I prefer hot than cold. Well guys, thanks for riding with me. The next videos I'm probably going to do is bringing that truck home. So I have to tow it. It's not drivable, but I think it's just the battery. But I don't want to drive it because it's got a bunch of rust underneath, so I'm just going to tow it. I'm going to post a video of the truck, and I'm just going to try and restore it. So hopefully I'll be able to have that truck to haul my motorcycles around. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, welcome to Forward. I'm Dr. Nate Favini.
It's so damn hot. Milk was a bad choice.
Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.